everybody, it's BMW Heather. It is a gorgeous day outside, so I wanted to take a look today at the 2018 640 GT. That is the Gran Turismo. BMW kind of broadened the horizons with this body design. I really like it. It has grown on me. It is pretty exclusive, so it has the hatchback, so it has like a slant angle, amazing cargo space. The cabin space is massive, huge for family size. If you're an executive and you travel around with clients, this is perfect. It's super comfortable, luxurious, and you also get the performance behind it. You have the 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine, super powerful. It puts out 348 horsepower and 358 pound-foot of torque. So this is definitely going to get you there, and very comfortably. So design, performance, luxury, technology, it's very important in a 6 Series. It's to be expected. With this, you also get the Driving Assistance Plus. So what that feature does, it allows you to do the self-park feature, and I will demonstrate that a part of this video. It is very cool, definitely helps you with the parallel parking. This is a bigger car, it is easy to maneuver. It's not like driving a boat or anything. You definitely adapt very easily, and I'm excited to show you guys exactly how that works along with the M Sport design. It is just phenomenal. Alright, so with some of the cool technology integrations involved in this vehicle is a Parking Assistant Plus feature. Your car must be equipped with that in order for this function to work. First, to activate it, we press this parking button right here. It's the driver assistant button. Make sure that it's green. And then in the iDrive screen, it'll bring up all your cameras. Just make sure that this is checked up here in the corner. That's what activates it. So what we're going to do now is slowly approach our parking spot that we want. Drive kind of close to it. We're looking on the right-hand side. Then we just follow the commands. I'm going to turn on my turn signal, and then to activate it, we're just going to hold down this button the entire time, let off the brake, and it is completed. And you can feel confident that it is definitely a safe procedure that is done. It will abort the feature if there is an obstacle in the way, and that's simply how you do it. Well, I hope you guys found it pretty interesting that we took a closer look at the 640 Gran Turismo. For those who didn't know about it, now you do, and it definitely is an exclusive design. I'm happy to show this to you guys. We have it in the carbon black as well as the alpine white as well. We have a ton of incentives being thrown at this car right now. So if you guys want to come with me for a test drive at BMW of Crystal Lake, thank you.